Let's unbox the upgrade Ionic foot detox machine. Your at-home spa for detox and relaxation. Let's open this. A ver qué tal. Can't wait to detox and relax. Let's do this. A ver qué tal.
Here's everything that comes with it. Super easy to set up. You can use a plastic liner or not, totally up to you. Add warm water, a little detox salt, ready to go. Plug in the array, power it on, and the detox starts working. After 5, 10, 15 minutes, you'll see the water change as it pulls impurities through your feet. My 30 minutes, my water was super dark. It helps remove toxins, improve circulation, and just feels so relaxing.